How to use Chatgpt to generate leads. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Chatgpt to generate leads. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So today I will be introducing you to three platforms. The first platform right here is the igleads.io. So what is this platform? So this is actually a tool that helps businesses find and connect with potential customers on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and the likes. So this allows you to search for specific keywords, hashtags, or locations to find users who match your target audience. So you can view their profiles, reach out to them, build relationships that can help lead to more sales. So with Generate IO or IG Leads IO, you can actually do these things right here: run advertising campaigns, email marketing, content marketing, and product research. So there. So with this platform, we actually need to have a monthly plan in order for us to open or to simply start. So we have the first plan right here, which is the starter plan, which costs $49 a month, and with that you can have like 10,000 emails monthly. For the business plan, it costs $119 a month. This is like unlimited emails monthly. And lastly, we have the annual plan, which costs $650 yearly. And this comes along with unlimited emails yearly and the likes. So here, if you scroll down below, you would actually see the benefits and the things that the platform is giving to that certain plan. All right. So here you can also see below the landing page like frequently asked questions. So if you do have questions about igleads.io, just simply go to the FAQ section, or you could actually search them right there. Okay, now as you can see, we have the start free trial button. However, sadly, this is not anymore available. So you really need to buy a specific plan before you could dive right into the platform itself. Now let's go to Chatgpt. After you have generated leads and after you have subscribed to a specific plan in the other platform, which is igleads.io, what you're going to do next is to simply go to Chatgpt. So here in Chatgpt, what you're going to do is to simply start off. For those of you who does not know what Chatgpt is, this is actually a platform that helps you answer, or like an AI who answers all the questions that you have, but not really entirely, but the most basic questions, or like it interacts with you like a real person basically, or in a conversational way. So let's try Chatgpt. So in this section, now we are going to compose the emails, or like the cold marketing mails that we're going to send right into our clients later on. Okay, so here all you need to do is to go to the search bar below, or the message bar below rather, and then you just need to input like create an email marketing message for message promotion for my clothes business, 20% off for loyal customers. There you have it. Now once you've clicked on enter, you will actually see that there is the template of the email being created in this section. Right, so there. So basically, if you're going to input like a specific cold email that you want to generate in Chatgpt, you just need to be sure of the specificity of the specific topic that you would like to input into your email. So if you're not satisfied, you can actually click on the regenerate response right here below, and basically it will give you another type of email, but somehow like with the same content as what you would like to create. So there. Alright, so if you would like to go back to the first option, then you can actually do so by clicking on this back button here. There's actually a number and the back button. Okay, so you just need to choose between both. Now, after you have created your email, you just need to go to Gmail. So Gmail is actually an email marketing tool that allows you to send personalized emails to a large number of recipients directly from your Gmail account. And with Gmail, you can easily create email campaigns, schedule when you want them to be sent, and track the performance of your emails through the detailed analytics. Personally, I have actually tried the Gmail and it really helps out, especially if you're sending a bulk message with the same content. And yeah, so it's really helpful for you guys, especially if you're like promoting your own business and you would want to use email marketing as one of your marketing strategies or marketing styles. So one of the key features of Gmail is its ability to send personalized mass emails. So you can easily insert customized content into each email, such as the recipient's name, company, or any other relevant information. So this creates a more personal touch and can increase engagement rates. Of course, like our customers don't want to feel like, oh, they're just being sent like a marketing email generally. So with Gmail, you can actually like really make it more personal, although you're sending a bulk of a message with the same content, but with the name right in there, they would feel like, oh, they're being remembered by the business that they are actually buying into. So Gmail actually also offers like automatic follow-up emails, which can help increase your response rate. And if a recipient does not respond to your initial email, you can set up automated follow-up messages to remind them or offer more information to them. So basically, that's about it for today's video, and that's how you can integrate the IG Leads IO, the Chatgpt, and the Gmail into your email marketing strategy and how you can generate more leads. So I hope that this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this video helpful. Bye.